This is the one of the important VIP question for 10th class. Either it is CBSE board or any state board. The question is common for all 10th class students. Now observe carefully. What is given? Solution. Easy steps में कैसे सीखना है this complicated problem. 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. If square is there, definitely it is related to Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, the triangle should be right angle triangle. But what is given? Equilateral triangle. So, first we will write what is given. तो given part लिखेंगे. So, given that ABC is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. A, B, C. Means all sides are equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. And one more point given that D is a point on side BC such that BD is equal to 1 by 3 times of BC and BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. पहले जो हमने डिस्कस किया है the question is related to Pythagoras theorem. So what we have to do now? राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल बनाना है किसी तरफ से. सो ज्योमेट्री में द इजी वे इज बिफोर दैट व्हाट इज टू प्रूव 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. We want right angle triangle. So easy. That is construction. So in construction what we will do? See, our triangle is equilateral triangle A, B, C. Now what I am doing? I am constructing a. Already D is there, therefore AL, and I will take this L on BC such that L divides BC into two equal parts. That is BL is equal to LC or BL is equal to half of BC. That only we will write. Construction में क्या करना है? हमें लिखना है. What we did, that only we will write. So, draw a perpendicular bisector of line or side BC from A. That implies BL is equal to LC and BL is equal to half of BC. This is construction part. So it is 90 degrees wala. आ गई ना? So this is construction. Now proof. So this is obviously it is a 4-mark question. So what is given, what is to be proved and construction. So you will get 2 marks. हो गया है. This is very easy. अब तो हियर हमने कुछ भी नहीं किया है, राइट. जो दिया है वही किया है और जो हमें चाहिए वो ड्रा किया है. नाउ प्रूफ. So again I am drawing this triangle completely. So this is a triangle. So this is A, this is B, this is C, D already it is given, and this is L हमने लिया है, and this is 90 degrees का फॉर्म हो रहा है. Now we have two right angled triangles. One is in triangle ALD and triangle ALB are right angled triangles, isn't it? Yes. So from triangle ALD, AD square is equal to Pythagoras theorem apply कर रही हूँ मैं. Hypotenuse whole square is equal to, so this is the ALD. So AD square is equal to AL square plus DL square. From triangle ALB, here AB is the hypotenuse. AB square is equal to AL square plus BL square. Yes. Now observe carefully here. This is the only step you have to remember. AL square and rewrite DL, that is this part DL as BL minus BD. Correct? This part is equal to DL is equal to BL minus BD. Yeah, theorem means up to here you have to, this only the step you have to remember here. Now observe how we are doing. AD square is equal to AL square plus, this is in the form of A minus B whole square. So A square plus B square minus 2AB. Now AL square plus BL square is equal to what? AB square. Therefore replace it. AD square is equal to AL square plus BL square is AB square, and the remaining part is same, plus BD square minus 2BL into BD. Now AD square is equal to AB square plus BD means from equation 1, what is given part? Here BD is equal to 1 by 3 BC. So 1 by 3 BC whole square minus 2 into BL. From construction, half of BC, half of BC, that is BC by 2, and BD, the given part, that is BC by 3. Now 2 and 2 is getting cancelled. AD square is equal to AB square plus BC square by 9 minus BC into BC, BC square by 3. And our given triangle is an equilateral triangle, and we know that AB is equal to BC is equal to CA, and the proved part means what we have to prove is 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. That means the side should be AB. Therefore, in this step, I am replacing BC with AB. So, AB square plus this is also AB square and this is also AB square, since AB is equal to BC. Completed. AD square is equal to, the LCM is 9. This is 9AB square plus AB square. Here 3 is there. Our LCM is 9 means 3 3s are 9 means 3AB square. Therefore, cross multiplication 9AD square is equal to 9AB square plus AB square, 10AB square, 10 minus 3, 7. Any doubt? Hence proved. Very simple. And question is VIP question. Either it is any board, either ICSE board or CBSE board or any state board. This question is very important in Pythagoras theorem. All the best.